Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. I hope so you all will be fine. I'm your teacher of class playgroup and our subject is English. In this video, we will do task of day 1 till day 5. We will do pre-writing pages in our English workbook, page number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Reading book page number 1 and 2. Thousand picture book page number 1. Sound English book page number 1 and we will learn rhyme number 1. Let's start. Take out your English reading book and open page number 1 and 2. We will learn page number 1 and 2. Here we will recognize letter E. It's letter A. Capital A, small a. A makes the sound A. A, 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 A. Now we have to recognize these pictures. A apple, A ant, A apple, A ant, A aeroplane, A alligator, A aeroplane, A alligator. Again, A apple, A ant, A aeroplane, A alligator. Take out your English workbook and open page number 1 and 2. Here we will learn about pre-writing. We will learn how to join dots. Dear students, here we will practice slipping line. Okay, which line is this? It is slipping line. Now you have to join dots from left to right. Let's start joining the dot. Yes, you will join dots like this. Your line must be on dots. Good. Next. Yes, you will join dots like this. It is slipping line. By doing this, you will complete this whole page. Is it clear to you? Same like this, you have to do practice of slipping line on page number 2. You have to join these dots from right to left. From right to left. Let's start joining the dots from right to left. Yes, by doing this, you have to join dots. Good, like this. Now ask your child to draw a slipping line on these dotted lines. Good. By doing this, you will complete this whole page. These are slipping lines. Now, my dear students, you have to do yellow color in cheek. Hen baby is called cheek. You will make dark outline and light color. Dark outline and light color. Now you will do light color in it. Here you will do brown color in cat. It is cat. It is cat. Make dark outline like this. Good. Very good. And now you will do light color in it. Do light color in cat. Cat baby is called kitten. It is kitten. Cat baby is called kitten. Now next it's a cow. Cow baby is called calf. You will do brown color in calf. Make dark outline and light color in it. Do dark outline. Good. Now you will do light color in calf. Cow baby is called calf. Hen baby is called chick. Cat baby is called kitten. Cow baby is called calf. Look, dear students, these are the babies of different animals. First is kitten. It is baby of cat. Cat baby is called kitten. Dog baby is called puppy. Duck baby is called duckling. And next is, it is a baby of lion. Lion baby is called cub. Dear students, here you have to circle the baby of lion. So you will make circle on cub because lion baby is called cub. Lion baby is called cub. Dear students, open page number 3 and 4. It is the task of day 2. Here we will practice slanting lines. These all are slanting lines. Now I will tell you how to do practice of slanting lines. There are two types of slanting lines. First one is to draw a line from right to left direction. Yes, like this. Again, I will tell you how to join dots on slanting lines. First one is to draw a line from right to left direction. Yes, same like this. You have to draw these lines. Okay. Now other one is you have to draw a line from left to right direction. From left to right direction. Yes, like this. By doing this, you have to complete this page. Is it clear? Dear kids, now you have to tell me that do you like to eat eggs? Yes, eggs are healthy food. Eggs are healthy food. And what is the color of eggs? White. Next page, here you have to also practice of slanting lines and do brown color in rabbit. Now can you tell me, rabbit eats grass and carrot. What does monkey eat? Monkey likes to eat banana. So you have to circle banana. You have to circle banana. Now open page number 5 and 6. It is the task of day 3. Here we will learn about standing lines. Dear students, here you have to join the dots and color the pictures. It is a picture of apple and it is a picture of tree. You have to do red color in apple and green color in its leaf. Make dark outline and light color in it. Here you have to do brown color in its log or bark or dark green color in its leaves. Clear? Dear students, you have to draw standing lines. These all are standing lines. You will start from downward direction to upward direction. These are standing lines. Again, you will start from bottom and then take it to the top. These are standing lines. Here you will also practice standing lines, but the direction will be opposite. You will start from the top and take it to the bottom. These are standing lines. These are standing lines. You will join the dots and do practice like this. Clear? Dear students, now open page number 7 and 8. It is the task of day 4. You will also do practice of page number 9. Dear students, now we will do practice on these dots. Firstly, you will draw a sleeping line, then standing line from bottom to top. Again, you will draw a sleeping line. Then from top to bottom, draw a standing line. By doing this, you have to join these dots and you have to complete this full page. Same like that, you have to complete and do practice on page number 9. But here you will practice like this. Firstly, you will draw a standing line from top to bottom, then sleeping line from left to right, then again standing line from top to bottom, then sleeping line from right to left. Clear? Now you have to do color and you have to do color in this one ball by making dark outline and do light color in it. And same like this, you have to complete this page number 9. Dear students, you have to do color on page number 8. You will do color in mango. It is a picture of mango. Make dark outline and do light color in it and green color in its leaf. Then you have to do dark outline in apple and then do light color in it. Clear? Dear students, now we will start the task of day 5. In day 5, we will do practice on page number 10, 12 and 14. Dear students, here you will draw curved lines. These are curved lines. You will drawing dots like this. Make a curve by joining these dots. First curve, then make a second curve. Good. Then make a third curve. And again you will make fourth curve. These are curved lines. You will complete page number 10 by joining these dots. Dear students, now open page number 12. Here you will draw a slanting line from bottom to top. By joining these dots, then from top to bottom, again draw a slanting line. Again from bottom to top. By joining these dots, you will draw these slanting lines. Here you will do practice on these dots. By joining these dots, draw a slanting line from bottom to top, then top to bottom. Then again you will join these dots and draw a slanting line. By doing this, you will complete these strokes. Afterwards, you will draw a slipping line in it. Clear? These are slipping lines. These are slipping lines. My dear students, you will draw these lines on these dots, and by doing this you will complete page number 12. Dear students, here you have to circle the bigger one on page number 1414. Here you have to circle the bigger sun. Which one sun is bigger? This one or this one? Yes, this one. So you have to make circle on this sun. Next picture is of elephant. Which one elephant is bigger? This one? Yes, this one is smaller. So you will have to circle this one elephant. Make a circle like this. Dear students, which one is the bigger dolphin? This one is smaller and this one is bigger. You will circle on this one dolphin. Dear student, next is the picture of candy. So you will circle this one candy because it is a bigger candy. Okay, you will make circle by joining these dots. Dear students, now take out your 1000 picture book and open page number 1. Today we will recognize the members of family. As you all know that in our family we are having different members, different family members. So in this page we will recognize our family members. First picture is of grandfather. Who is he? Grandfather. Next is father. Who is in the next picture? Father, mother. Father, mother. Next, sister. Next, sister. Next picture, brother. Sister, brother. Next picture is of baby. Baby. Okay, in last picture, we are having the picture of cousins. Cousins, uncle, aunt. Cousins, uncle, aunt. Again revise it with me. Father, grandfather, grandmother. Father, mother. Sister, brother, baby. Cousins, uncle, aunt. Cousins, uncle, aunt. Now take out your Sound English book and open page number 1. A apple, A arrow, A ankle, A eggs, A animals, A ant. Find the letter A in these words. In ant you have to circle A. In word apple you have to circle A. In word eggs you have to circle A. And you have to circle A. And you have to circle A. Arrow, you have to circle A. Beaver, butterfly, beaver, bowl, beaver, ball, beaver, box, beaver, bee, beaver, balloon, beaver, book, beaver, basket. Find the letter B in these words. In word bag, you have to circle B. Ball, you have to circle B. Box, you have to circle B. Book, you have to circle B. Big, you have to circle B. B, you have to circle B. Dear kids, in 10 days, you have to learn this page number 1. After finishing your work, you must say Alhamdulillah, Allah Hafiz. Take care.